Alexander's coming down. We just found this waterfall right here, right on the side of the road. He wanted to climb up to it. Let's see if I can back out. Give you a little perspective. There it is. We just saw it on the side of the road. Nice little fjord here. We are in the Westfjords. Right here. I believe that's the Arctic Ocean. That's another fjord there. 3 fjords over is where we were with that big Dijani waterfall. It took us, I don't know, about an hour to drive through those 3. I think we got 4 more to go to get to our hotel tonight. Oh, here, we gotta get this, and Mommy's gonna love that. What is he doing? I did not approve that. Now what? Guess we're gonna need this video for the trial. There's a perfectly good path 100 feet to his left. Or our left, his right, I guess. Perfectly good path. But who needs a path when you can scale a wall in shorts? That's great, Sherlock. Start a mudslide, or start a rock slide.